What's up, guys? It's Mikey Turbos. It is about 7 a.m. in the morning on a Thursday. 60 degrees. It feels so nice outside to wear shorts. Right now we are on our way to the gym. When I say we, I mean me and my Abarth. So we're on our way to the gym. We're gonna be doing shoulders and legs because I got to get my chicken legs ready for the summer because my legs are skinny. All right, so there's something I want to talk about. I really want to buy the 124 Abarth Spider. I am absolutely in love with the car. I want to buy it. I don't want anything else. I want that car. Now, there's two things. What color I'm gonna get? Bump. Oh, that's a big bump. Sorry, that's a big bump. Okay, so like I said, there's two things about the 124 that I can't make my mind on. The color, you're gonna hate me on this one, and the transmission. Okay, so one, the color. I either want to get the color in silver, it has that silver gray color, or there's that new dark blue color that I really like. It's kind of almost like a black. That's how dark it is. It's not that light blue. It's like a dark blue. I like it because it's not me. Here we go. I like the dark blue because it's something different than a white and a silver, but also it's not flashy. I don't like anything. I don't like any like flashy colors. So that's that. Okay. So the dark blue or the silver. I've seen the silver in person and I absolutely love it. So the silver goes great with the black accents, you know, with the black heritage hood and trunk. I think it looks absolutely phenomenal. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, I'm in love with it. I didn't see the blue in person, I just seen pictures and videos on it. So, but so far it looks really nice. Okay, on to topic number 2 about the transmission. You guys are gonna kill me on this one. So now, should I get the 124 Abarth Spider in manual or automatic? Now, before you start giving me thumbs down and hating on me in the comments, just hear me out, okay? Yes, I know the manual transmission is going to be more fun, and why would you get a Roadster in an automatic? I know all that. Don't worry about that. Because here's why I'm possibly considering the automatic. Oh, wow, the C4 is really kicking in. My face is like burning up. Okay, one, my Abarth 500 is already a manual, and it's my daily, okay? Do I want two cars that are manual? I don't know. I'm thinking that I want my second car to at least be an automatic. You could still have fun with it. It has the paddle shifters. Yes, I know with the manual you have more control over the engine. It sounds better with the rev matching. It's a Roadster. You should only get it in automatic. I know that. But do I really want two cars, especially on Staten Island, that are manual? That's the thing. Now, I never drove the manual. I have to go to a dealership and I have to test drive it. Now, most likely, I'm going to get the manual. Don't get me wrong. But I want to see all my options. I want to see how it is because I'm not sure if I want two manuals in my life at once, you know? So, we just have to see. Oh my God, these roads are so bumpy. But yeah, that's the thing. Let me know in the comments below, what would you do if you had to get an automatic or manual? But remember, I already have a car that's manual. Do I want two cars that are manual? or should I have one that's automatic? So yeah, let me know in the comments below. What do you think? What would you do and why? Why automatic and why not the automatic? You know? Alright. Just remember, be easy on the comments in this section, because I know what most people are gonna say. Who cares? Because race car, get the manual. And yes, I know, I totally 110% agree. I want to get the manual. I drove it, I love it, but I want to test out the automatic just in case. Okay, so yeah, let me know what you think below. All right, just got to LA Fitness. Today we're going to be doing shoulders and legs. Let's go. Peace out.